What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. I'm take a look at Gala. Currently seeing at 0.024. We're up 8% on the day. Market cap is 893 million. 24 hour 84 million. So we're seeing some life in Gala gains. We need to break this bullish level of 0.0250 to confirm that we've completed this correction. We can push up towards 0.033, leading diagonal wave 2 pullback. And now if we can break that bullish level, we can see a straight push to 0.033. If we fail to do so, then the correction is not over. But it's looking pretty decent for Gala. We need to get back above these weekly EMAs, which are coming in about 0.031. So if we shoot up to 0.033, that will be a great start. Get back above them, see the bullish cross, see continuation, break this quadruple bottom that we've created, and then see the push to the upside to about 15 cents. So you want to see a break above those weekly EMAs at 0.03. And as you can see here, that target for the bullish level is 0.025. And if we push up in a wave 3, that will get you back above your weekly EMAs. That's what we want to see. But the crucial level right now is to break 0.025 to see continuation. All right, gang, I think we could get at least 60 to 70 cents in the bull run for Gala. I know people are very bearish on Gala Games, but if you look at the project, what they're doing in film, in gaming, as well as in music, I think there's a good opportunity still, in my opinion. If you want completely free access to my trading group, which includes my daily crypto analysis for many coins, my exact trade setups, crypto forex, you can see what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits, almost 3,000 members, yours for free with a 30-second sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, $200 bonus when you deposit $1,000 into your futures account. Although you do not have to do that to gain access to my group, just sign up, send me an email, that's it. Definitely worth it in my opinion. Make sure to smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.